abundance of women's sex, love, and feminine energy, I find that what it requires or is involved to actually be in those conversations with multiple feminine in abundance. When it's not the shiny, appealing, like movie star type shit, I guess is the world I'm speaking to. Hinge recently opened, I don't know if you're aware, by the way, for your settings, they opened up non-monogamous options. So you can actually detail and specify in there, put on your profile, all that. Yeah, we connected. It's been a straightforward conversation. I don't know, I already got a partner, all that good stuff. But anyway, we've been talking. We had a conversation and went well. Talked for an hour. You know, she's feeling it. Here's the abundance of feminine, dealing with the feminine emotion. Me being distant, I went camping over the weekend, so I wasn't hitting her up. She actually hit me up, said she was going to be hanging out with a friend. And yeah, so she felt judged, rejected. The experience I speak to was just having that multiple feminine to contain and just be with. Yeah, I got the upset, heard her out, recreated her, let her know my intention, my world. But ultimately, just containing in that space, like the full world and responsibility of containing and or managing multiple women was there. But inside of that, it's just that space of abundance. She's clearly interested. I let her know I wanted to talk tomorrow because in her upset, she was, having the conversation and shared a few times, how vulnerable she felt and also feeling like she's not safe to then express herself, like just giving the world of what she was going through. And she was talking about someone to potentially hold that space, like containment, safety, masculine, and all that. And it's keying off of my head because I'm like, oh, that's where we cross a line because I'm not looking to create another relationship. But inside of that abundance of women, sex, love, and feminine, there is a elevated, or as I see, like actually operating in the big leagues, it becomes more politics. It's more what actually works. It's not like, just sex and fantasy or anything. Well, where does this fit into my life? Where does this actually work with integrity? Why and how and what will we be doing? Is everybody aligned and consenting? That's it. When you have a partner and operate in non-monogamy, it is the same conversation you're talking about. Like it becomes so much more detail. Even if you have the freedom there's the responsibility, the integrity, the managing the lifestyle, what it actually looks like. And I mean that even down to the level of, do you want to? Is it even a priority? Does it matter?